guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curl Rehab. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my hair at home. So let's get started. Anytime I trim my hair, most of the time I trim my hair on straight hair. My hair is not straight right now. It's just pretty much I have my hair in a bun for a couple of days, and I just comb the my hair out just to kind of give it a blowout effect, so I'll know what I need to trim. Also, I wanted to mention, guys, these are some things where you're trying to figure out if you need to trim your hair or not. If your hair is starting to become a little bit less manageable, and doing things, and it seems like it's tangling a lot at the ends of your hair, that's a sure sign that you probably need a trim. Also, when you're twisting your hair, like doing twists and braid outs, and your ends look a little straggly, like what I got going on right now, I can kind of show you like that. Or let me see. That's a sure sign that you need to trim your hair too. Alright, so I'm starting off with 6 twists. You can section your hair any way you want to. I just like to work in sections, so I just twisted my hair up. So what I'm going to do is just take all the twists except for one section. I'm just going to clip my hair up. Alright, so then I'm just going to take this section like this, and I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb through it just to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled before I begin trimming. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm just going to section my hair off. I like to work in smaller sections when I'm trimming my hair. Okay, so now what I like to do, I'm gonna take the rat tail comb and kind of just go through comb through it just to make sure I get all those little kinks out. Alright, then the tip what I do with straight trimming my hair is I'm just going to feel and look. You pretty much can see where your hair begins to thin, like starts to thin, like the meat. I don't really cut too much in the meat of my hair, but right where it's like the transition from your hair being thick to getting that thin, like right there, right before you get to that point is where I will cut it. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to really see this that well, but that's what I'm gonna do here. So there, as you can see, it's really thin, so let me see. I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay, so that's that. All right, so I take another piece, go with the comb through. And I cut my hair a couple ways. Now the bottom section of my hair I kind of just cut like that. As I get towards the top, I'm gonna cut on a diagonal just because I like to give my hair a little shape. Just comb it through, and then I take my finger like that, and I kind of feel. Gotta feel for. Pretty much you gotta feel for where it goes from thick to thin. Okay, so I'm just gonna right where it gets, I don't know if you can see, but you can tell because you see all this is thin. See how all of this is thin? You can barely see it, and you can see that little meat there. Just take my hair like that. Oops, and cut right there. Okay. So pretty much you're just cutting off all that thin hair. All right. So this section here, this is the top section of my hair. So that's what I was telling you. I usually cut on a diagonal just to make sure my hair has a nice shape. So I'm just going to I'm going to part my hair on a slant. Instead of going this way, I'm going this way. So just going to clip my hair, place. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this, and then I'm going to kind of go on ahead and finish the rest probably off camera until I get to the front. So now that I'm working with this, I'm going to kind of have my hair like this, I'm going to comb it down on the slant. I'm going to take my 2 fingers like I always do and glide down my hair, and I'm going to cut on a diagonal. So where my hair starts to thin. Okay. So let's see. Try that again. Sometime I need to. Okay. Alright. I want a diagonal. Okay. And that's how I do the top section. guys, so that's how I trim my hair. This is like how my hair is looking after the trim. My hair looks super healthier, way healthier than before. You can see that my hair doesn't really look thin. It has a nice shape, nice body. It's easy to put my fingers through my hair now. I couldn't do that before. I was getting tangles, so it's easy to manage. So yeah, So that's how I trim my hair, guys. This is how much I got from trimming my hair. It may seem like a lot, like I said, but my hair really needed it. So if I'm usually up to date, like up to like with my trim schedule, sometimes if I'm doing it more often, I'll just dust my ends, but I actually had to really trim my hair this time. So yeah, so that is this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye, guys.